So guys, this is Africa Site Walk and Travels. I don't always do videos around Nairobi CBD. I also do videos around our Nairobi estate. So now I am around Tassia. This is Tassia estate, and I want to do a video from here all the way up to where you have Kware stage. So what I shall do, I shall be making a U-turn. Remember, we are doing a spot check of the insecurities around Nairobi, both in the CBD and in the environs. So guys, please, I'm around Tassia, so allow me to do a U-turn and do a video all the way unedited, all the way to where we have Kware stage. Kware stage is located along Outer Ring Road. So let me just take a U-turn from here where you have Community Christ Community Church. I shall be doing a U-turn today being 20th. It's on a Sunday. It's 20th November 2022. So from here, let me just do a U-turn and see whether I'll make it up to where we have Kware stage along Outer Ring Road, and see whether you can get anything that is of interest and something that is worth recording. So here we go, guys. There we go. So here we have the Community Christian Church. We have the Community Christ Community School. So let's go. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do. And blessings. So kindly be patient. The video will be unedited. Let's see whether we shall record any incident that is of interest to you, my viewer. And as usual, bear with me if the video is a bit shaky. And as I always indicate, my voiceover and natural ambience is on location. So because there's another video I did along this street, allow me to take a right turn. Remember, this is an informal settlement that I'm heading into. There is a crusade going on here. So there are several videos I've done around this area. Remember, it's full of what we call kware routes. Kware routes means areas, the routes that you can use, different routes that you can use to get the same destination. And probably you can bear with me because this is mostly undercover, and my prayer is that always goes on to the end well. So bear with me if the camera is a bit shaky. And please remember to subscribe. So Tassia Estate is a bit of a high-rise building. As you can see, it's a bit of a high-rise building, and it is one of the most crowded estates in Nairobi, just like Pipeline. So at least where I'm passing right now, we have a tarmac road, but then again I'll be diverting on my right, where I shall pass through an informal settlement. So please guys, come with me. So let me turn on my right. As you can see, so today is on 20th November 2022. I've decided let me pass through the informal settlement. There are so many videos I've done on informal settlements, so I don't only do videos around Nairobi CBD. You can visit my channel and watch them. There is another crusade going on around here. Evening, we expect church activities to be so many. Church activities to be so many. Because this is the Republic of Kenya and we are told 80% of the Kenyan population are Christians, so bear with me. So I'm just trying to bring out the security situation both in the CBD and in the informal settlement areas. And by the way, I'm doing this video I think 2 hours before the World Cup kickoff. The World Cup kickoff is today at 7 p.m. East Africa time in Qatar. So that is important to note. Then I'm taking my right turn. So now, as I told you earlier when I started the video, I'll be ending the video at around kware stage, where we have a famous Kenyan lady who does fries, aka chipo mutu. That's why I'll be ending the video. So guys, now I'm heading towards kware stage. That is just but a sneak preview of our getters. As you can see, I've recorded. I've not been able to capture any major mugging or robbery incident. And now this is our Africa. And one thing I like about the informal settlements though, and this is my opinion as Africa site work and travels, is that you'll find everything. You need fresh fish, find it in the ghetto. You need fresh meat, find it in the ghetto. Everything, you find it there. So now I'm heading to kware stage, all the way from Tassia Estate and Cut. Probably if you know the place, you can point out some of the places that you have recognized. And as I've indicated, today the spirits are very high because at 7 o'clock East Africa time, that is 1900 hours, World Cup will be kicking off in Qatar. So I'm doing this video, I think 1 hour 30 minutes before the game starts. Some of the best team win anyway. And thank you for coming with me. Thank Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking and commenting. It's never for granted. So now I'm at Kware stage. This is what we call Kware stage. This is Outer Ring Road. As we're heading towards Donholm Manyanja Road. Outer Ring Manyanja Road Junction. That's where we'll be heading to. And this is around the area where we have Kwamboka, beverlyne Kwamboka, the famous mutura vendor. She's normally around this place, but today it seems like she's not around. She normally rents her jeep around this place. So guys, thank you. Thank you very much, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. Like, comment, share. You can also indicate where you are watching from. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in another video. Cheers. Don't forget, this is Africa Sidewalk and Travels. See you in the next video. Cheers.